My name is Jeff Gleason, and on the October 3rd edition of the Bond Business in 2023 webinar, we reviewed some recent developments in the casino gaming space in New York State, namely the release of responses to some applicant questions for the 3 downstate casino licenses that were put out by the Gaming Facility Location Board at the end of August. Those responses were left a lot to be desired. They failed to develop information that would be necessary for the applicants, and the industry is left with many questions. We reviewed what answers were actually given, what information remains outstanding, and also what questions the applicants should be submitting in the most recent round of questions that will be due on October 6th. Additionally, we had John Sweeney join the webinar, who reviewed issues at the intersection of workers' compensation and mental health, namely the compensability of mental injuries and the development of the law around that compensability as to whether it would require physical injury or whether a pure mental injury sustained in the workplace would be compensable under New York State workers' compensation law. Additionally, Liz Heifetz joined us to discuss immigration law in light of the recently averted government shutdown, as well as what could happen if the government shuts down at the end of the recent continuing resolution, and how the lack of funding for the Department of Labor, Customs and Border Protection, and the Department of State could affect employers' ability to either renew certain visas or have certain people come into the country. Gabe Overfield also joined us to provide some COVID updates, namely that the vaccine mandate in New York State will be officially repealed tomorrow, October 4th, 2023. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the programming.